What's up, y'all? So I was outside and just checking out the scenery and whatnot. So I put a couple of cloves of garlic in my pot. I don't know, it might have been a week or two ago, probably 2 weeks ago. But anyway, I just noticed that they done started coming up. I almost forgot about this. I planted like 3 cloves of garlic. They was just sprouted a little green was coming out of them. So I just stuck them in this pot and buried them basically. And here they are. This one is like maybe, I don't know, 2.5 inches tall. And this one is like an inch tall out the soil. I've tried garlic many ways, y'all. I have not been successful. I need tips. You guys, give me all the tips. People who like to grow garlic, what do I need to do? Because I done put it out in my actual in-ground garden, and I've just like let them grow on the counter for a couple more days. I don't know what else to do. I need tips, tricks. Let me know what I can do. I am in Tennessee, you guys, so I don't know. I do want me some fresh garlic. I want to make me some garlic pepper chicken. Fresh. So this is one of my goals. You guys chime in, help a sister out. Thank you so much for watching Garden Chronicles. I'll see y'all on the next one.